Chapter 2. Thinking Inside the Box. Finding your war chest. Property is intended to serve life, and no matter how much we surround it with rights and respect, it is part of the earth man walks on. It is not man. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. To invest in real estate means to understand how it is used. Real estate is the common denominator of all social and commercial activities. Everyone demands a place to live, work, and play, whether it's a cave, skyscraper, home, shopping mall, factory. The roof over your head is more important than any stocks, bonds, or even your smartphone. Since every human activity
Thank you for listening to the sample audiobook. Full version available by purchasing on Amazon.com and other booksellers.